Okay, so I did say that I would talk to you about what's the difference between getting this right and getting this wrong, and that is edges. And I'm talking about edges round here and edges between colours as well, so here and here, because there's two sorts of effects going on here, and one is where we've got sharp edges, where like round here this is a really sharp edge, so if yours isn't sharp round here, this needs to be sharper, and the only way you're going to get it sharper is with sharper pencils. So if you've got a bit of a dodgy line, you're going to need to get that sharp pencil in there and just neaten it up so it's much sharper on that edge, and perhaps your transitions from one colour or one tone to the next need to be a little bit softer on the edge too, just like I've just neatened up there. So that's one tip. The other one is getting your transitions between your colours better. Now they either can be hard like this, and actually I'm not too keen on that. I don't think that helps, but I've kept it because that is how the photo reference is, so I'm just keeping it like that. And then you've got these softer ones which you have to do before you put your dots on, otherwise you can't really do it. I mean, you can go back in afterwards, but it doesn't really make it easy to do, so it's best off getting those softer transitions first. And this one here on the reference photo, which you can see here, is a fairly hard edge actually between the two colours, but I like that bit there so much that I'd probably give that a little tweak and just make that a little bit softer as I go around there, just because I like it. And you know, you're perfectly allowed to do that and change it and give yourself a little bit of artistic license to do things that you like. Right, so that's 3 things that you need to really keep an eye on when you're doing this.